be solving natural log equations. These are your steps. Step 1, make sure the e and the exponent are isolated to one side. If not, you're going to use inverse operations to make sure that they're by themselves on one side of the equal sign. Step 2, take the natural log of each side. Then step 3, you're going to bring down the exponent and set that equal to the natural log of whatever number you have. And then step 4, use inverse operations to solve for the variable. So let me show you what that looks like. Example 1 here says, I'm going to make sure my e is by itself, and it is. Even though I've got this funky exponent here, there's nothing else in front of the e or back here being added or subtracted to the e. The exponent is different, so this is alone. So now we're going to go to step 2, and it says take the natural log of each side. So it's going to look like this: ln of e x plus 8 equals ln of 4. So this will cancel out the e, and all of this is what I'm going to bring down on the next line. That's what I mean by step 3. Bring down the equal sign and set it equal to the natural log of whatever's given. So ln of 4. Okay? Then I'm going to use inverse operations to solve for the variable. So to get x, I need to subtract 8 from both sides. And then x is going to be equal to whatever this is. So now I'm going to get my calculator and put it in. Oh, I should have had this right. Your natural log button, you're going to have to use the yellow control button. And then you're going to click on that e. And let me just use my handy dandy one I have here. So control ln of 4 minus 8. It's going to give you some ugly decimal, but that's okay. So negative 6.6137. IXL wants you to round to the thousandths place. So since this is a 7 here, you're going to round this up to a 4. Okay. Example 2. Make sure this is alone, and it is. So now I'm going to take the natural log of each side, ln. So remember, these will cancel each other out. So I have natural log of 27 equals x minus 3. To get x alone, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So now my calculator should be ready. So control ln right here of 27 and then plus 3. So 6.2958. So 6.2958. So this 8 will round this 5 up to 6. Okay, another example here. Okay, so this is a case where the e is not alone, so I need to cancel this out by adding 6 to both sides first. So 10 plus 6 is 16. Now I can take the natural log of each side. So these will cancel. And I will just leave this like this before I put it in the calculator. It just makes it easier as far as your work goes. Cleaner looking. All right, so now ln of 16 minus 5. Let's put that in next. Negative 2.2274. Sorry, that looks ugly. So let's round, negative 2.227. That 4 will leave the 7 alone.